Welcome back to another I Mess with Cars video. So today, as you can see, we're not at the usual spot. We're actually with Danny Z here.
What's up, guys?
And we're going to be putting together the world's fastest BMW Z4.
Z4.
So this is kind of a behind the scenes of all that we're doing to it, and let's jump right into it. So we got a Pure 900 turbo from Pure Turbos. We have a Dorch DS3 high pressure fuel pump, a MHD/BIM ECU flex fuel kit, and a few other things that we'll show you along the way. Pure turbo sitting out nice and pretty. Just got the under tray off. Nice access. It's pretty interesting. Danny pointed out the engine oil pan has a diaper. Made some good progress. Got the charge pipe disconnected, the upper bolts, the turbo disconnected. Now we're working on the oil feed line and the oil drain line and the coolant feed line that goes on the block. And then this thing's basically ready to come out. All right. So turbo is out. Not too bad. Might replace these studs because we got new ones, but here are the two turbos next to each other.
Yeah, the difference between the two turbos actually impressive. I didn't know.
Yeah, a little stalker right here. The Pure. Definitely noticeable.
You're making things happen.
You can kind of see on the exhaust portion, thickness, definitely different. Or that would be the AR, I guess. But anyways, you get the idea. Runner's a little bigger, side by side. Pretty cool. Here's the inlet size. Definitely noticeable difference. Stock turbo is honestly mint. I mean, it's only got 13,000 miles.
All right,
but
comment, but 13,000? Wow.
Yeah.
I keep saying this car's from 2026 because it looks so new, and it's 6 years old. What?
Making some good progress. Got the turbo in. We're putting on the bolts to the coolant lines, the oil lines. And from here, it'll just be buttoning things up. All the crush washers for the exhaust manifold are tightened. Making some good progress. Got the downpipe in. Got that pretty much all bolted on. Charge pipe's on now. Pretty much just situating the intake, putting some coolant in, and getting the under trays on, and that's it. Well, we got the MST intake from Keys Motorsports.
MST.
Got pretty much everything wrapped up. Got some coolant in there. We'll probably check it once the car warms up, but otherwise we're about ready to go. Well, guys, a tsunami started to pour in, so that's fun. We're getting there. Pretty much everything's buttoned up. Put coolant in it. Under trays are up.
It's not buttoned up.
Okay, you're near buttoned up. Just figured
Shout
out.
out to MST. That's where this intake is from.
Pretty much it. Turbo's in.
Woo! Good work. Good work. That only took 12 hours.
Nah, 10 years. Got the MST intake in. Yeah. All right, she's alive. Let's check everything in the engine bay. Seems to be humming along just fine. Downpipe's not leaking. Looks good. All right, guys, we are driving back to my house. Everything's great. I'm gonna check the coolant when the car's cooled down, but I probably won't show that. Everything's driving flawlessly. Shout out to, well, us, me and David, David Shoop Tuning or Tune by Shoop on Instagram. This car has no lights. Everything's running absolutely beautifully. Super excited to dial in this setup, guys. I think that will pretty much end off, I would say, part one of this video. And if you also saw the G80 single turbo build, that should be being wrapped up soon. So I'll be filming more with that. Hopefully part two for that will be released as well. I just also wanted to show you how this thing sounds. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but in real life, this thing is crazy loud when you let off. I'll let you guys listen. Like, it's crazy loud. It doesn't sound much on video, but hold on, I'll show you again. I'll also get some footage with the windows up. Hold on. This is just building a little boost. And you can kind of hear it. Pretty unique. I've heard a lot of Pures, and they actually sound a little different. But I guess it depends on your intake setup and stuff. Definitely excited to get this thing dialed in. Here you go. Hopefully you guys can hear that well on video, but all right, I think that'll be it. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next one.